Hey there guys, how you doing? Full-time FM here. Hope you're all doing well. Make sure you're all subscribed and drop a like on the video if this is good for you. I'm just going to talk you through Teespring today and how to design a t-shirt. And I do mine pretty easily. Just click on the classic tee, click on the sell. First thing I do, go to GBP, Great British Pound. I turn that into an 8, so it's 8.99. There's only 17 pence profit. I'm actually not looking to make profit on my t-shirts. Sounds weird, I know, but I'm genuinely just doing it for people who subscribe to my channel. So what you do, select the colours that you want to select for your product. So you have many different colours. Go to text, and you may do something like CSI, and then put it in big letters like that, and then I'm going to place it in the middle as much as I can, add some more text, and then can't stand idiots. And you're going to want to make this smaller so it fits in. There you go. This is your principal area, so you can only put something within this area, this zone. So I'm just going to make this a little smaller, just so it catches in that area pretty well. And there you go. See, CSI, can't stand idiots. It's a good little t-shirt. You can go to preview just here. That's how it's going to show, and you can look at it in different colours. I don't do black because black on black there doesn't look great. That dark navy is as dark as I'll go, and there you can see in different colours what it looks like. And then you go, once you're happy with your pricing, for me, like I say, I'm just looking to basically give my subscribers on my YouTube channel a bit of a perk, really. And £8.99 for a t-shirt, it's a bargain. £8.99 in dollars is roughly $12 with the exchange rate, so I do $11.99 there as well. Most creators price this product at $25.99, so it's like $14 cheaper, and there's only $1.42 profit on that. Don't ask me why the profit is different from the UK to America, even though it's the same pricing. I have no idea. I think it might just be the shirts could be printed over there. So now you've got your t-shirt, it's ready to upload, but you also have the option of putting that style on tank tops and hoodies, socks if you like, all this sort of stuff. You can even put it on leggings. There you go. Put it on a hoodie, a pet hoodie. There's accessories here, so you can put it on a face mask. You can put it on a neck gaiter, which I think in the UK we call a snood. You put it on telephone cases, fanny packs, which I think are an American thing as well, stickers, mugs, tote bags, the works. For me, I'm just going to put it on a t-shirt for now. So I'm going to click continue. I'm going to just type in shirt design with quotes, because that's what it is. I'm going to go to Full-Time FM quotes. At Full-Time FM is my channel. It's going to create a URL for me there, which looks perfect. Visibility is public. Add to existing store, Full-Time FM. Publish listing. It'll generate that now. And it's preparing the listing. And this is basically the easiest way of getting merchandise on your YouTube channel. And voila, there you go. It's regular fit, it's unisex. It'll come in different sizes, all the way up to 2XL at the moment. It used to come up to 5XL. And it's really quite cheap. £2.75 for the first apparel item, and £1 for each additional item in the post. And then when you've created your own store, you can basically create face masks, pet hoodies, t-shirts, jumpers, tank tops, hoodies, leggings, mugs, even socks and t-shirts. And I basically have quite a few quote t-shirts because I like them. I buy them. So you got Bomb Squad, if you see me running, keep up. I see dead people. Hello. What an effing liberty. Catherine Tate fans will know that. China started the zombie apocalypse. Sorry, my brain made me do it. They say we get wiser with age. Call me Gandalf. If found, please return to the pub, not the wife. Got married because my brain went on strike. 4 out of 3 people struggle with maths. Gravity. They're our heartless bitch. Effing Tourette's and alcohol, which I came up with that because I like the Oasis song Cigarettes and Alcohol, and I thought, what if you had Tourette's and alcohol? And then obviously if you got Tourette's and alcohol, you got effing Tourette's and alcohol. Oh, what fresh hell is this? And then here we go at the bottom, CSI, can't stand idiots. So there you go. So it's real easy, and you see all my shirts here, £8.99. I basically put in the lowest price that I possibly can do for all my products in order to sell them, you know, and just dip me in honey and throw me to the lesbians. There you go, there's another one. Chilling like a boss. So yeah, everything on here is like the lowest I can get it. Just because I want to build my channel. So I don't look at Teespring as an income per se, although you could. But it is definitely a nice way of connecting with your subscribers and with your fans, and just basically offering them cheap products, things they might like. So it depends what you want to do. If you want to make a business out of it, you're going to have to charge more. You're going to have to charge maybe 15 quid for a shirt rather than 9 quid. But it all depends on you. The world is your oyster, as they say. So, you know, if you want to get your own hoodie, there you go. You can have a nice little print on that shirt. You can then put it on your t-shirts, put it on tank tops, do whatever you choose to do. Anyway, just a quick video to show you that it is possible to create a nice, easy Teespring store and create products, and hopefully, as you see here by random prices, $16.98. It's basically the cheapest I can get it. $14.23 is the cheapest they'll allow me to sell that for. $12.99 for that one. So yeah, they're pretty decent as well. So hopefully that helps. If it does, please drop a like on the video. Consider subscribing if you're not, and I hope you enjoy the Football Manager content. I just thought I'd do something new, just to show you guys how the shirts are created, how easy it is, and maybe encourage some YouTube creators who are kind of scared of getting a merchandise line to just try it. You know, Teespring will fulfill the orders for you. You basically get a commission, which is like that 17 pence for designing and finding a client who comes through your link either on Facebook, Twitter or YouTube. So thank you very much. I will see you all very soon. Take care of yourself.